Belong to a massive team spread across different geographies? Disturbed by the rising tide of training expenses? Well, exhale a sigh of relief because we've got the perfect solution. Introducing OnlyTRAININGS credits, your passport to a world of cost-effective, high-quality training. Imagine slashing your training costs by up to 80%. Sounds unbelievable, right? But with OnlyTRAININGS credits, this is your new reality. Not only do you get to keep a tight rein on your budget, but you also gain access to a global platform of learning from best industry experts. No matter where you are or when you need it, our training are just a click away. But that's not all. With us, you are never alone in your learning journey. Our dedicated support team is available round the clock, 7 days a week, ready to assist you with any queries or challenges you might encounter. We understand that as professionals in the chemical industry, you need specialized technical training. That's why we've curated over 500 unique training modules, each one designed with your specific needs in mind. Sharpen your skills, deepen your expertise, and stay ahead of the curve in an industry that's ever evolving. So why wait? Make the smart choice today. With OnlyTRAININGS credits, you're not just saving money, you're investing in a brighter future. Step into a world of endless learning opportunities and let your journey to excellence begin. Visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. Your path to success is just a click away.